Welcome. If you want to draft a post on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC and the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through each step so you can start sharing your thoughts, photos, or videos with ease. First, open your preferred web browser and go to x.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on the button labeled Post. This is your starting point for creating something new. A compose box will appear in the center of your screen. Here you can type out your message. Whether it's a quick update, a question for your followers, or a longer thought, just start writing. If you want to make your post more engaging, you can also add media. Click the media icons below the text box to insert photos, videos, or even GIFs. You can include up to 4 different media items in one post, mix and match as you like. Once you're happy with your post, but not quite ready to publish it, you have the option to save it as a draft. To do this, click the X icon in the top left corner of the compose box. A prompt will appear asking if you want to save your changes. Click Save. Your draft will be stored safely so you can come back and finish or edit it later. To find your saved drafts, simply return to the compose box and look for the Unsent Posts option. There, you'll see all your drafts waiting for you to review, edit, or post whenever you're ready. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily draft, save, and later publish your posts on X using your computer. Give it a try and keep your followers updated with your latest thoughts and media. Thanks for watching, and happy posting.